What's the meaning of chemin de fer? Chemin de fer. Chemin de fer.
Chemin de fer. Chemin de fer. Chemin de fer is a French term that translates to railway in English. It typically refers to a railroad or railway system used for transportation of goods and people. Railways were first developed in the early 19th century and played a major role in the industrialization of many countries. Today, railways continue to be an important form of transportation, both for freight and passengers. In addition to its practical uses, railways also have a cultural significance, as they have inspired art, literature, and music throughout history.